Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with homes.com for neighborhood trend reports. Full guide step by step clear. To authenticate with homes.com for neighborhood trend reports, start by visiting the homes.com website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the appropriate fields. If you do not have an account, locate the Create Account link below the login fields. Click on the Create Account link to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Submit your registration by clicking the Sign Up button. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification link from homes.com. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the homes.com website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section dedicated to neighborhood trend reports. Select the desired neighborhood to view its trend report. You may need to provide additional information or preferences to generate specific reports. After configuring your preferences, click on the Generate Report button. Wait a moment while the system processes your request. The neighborhood trend report will appear, showcasing key statistics and insights. Review the report to gain a comprehensive understanding of the neighborhood trends. For further analysis, consider downloading the report or sharing it with others. You are now authenticated and equipped to access neighborhood trend reports on homes.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.